So guys, thanks team. I will make a really delicious of salad fish of you peel the fruit on its finished head, and don't forget to fill the fruit thinly so that the flesh won't get rid of it. We had the guava fruit. After all the guava and dongdong have been washed, then rinse with water. Toppy 5 grams continues to rinse with water to be clean and hygienic. Name is Damai Sasmitra. Number 6. Make fruit salad for a presentation. Ingredients for making fruit salad: kadondong fruit, guava seeds, peanuts, and lemper. Ulek-ulek. Salt. Brown sugar. Water. Chili. Dan salt. It's your friend Jumjuts. Cut the fruit thinly so that more and more thin and not tasty to eat. Prepare oil and make sure you have pans and heat the pan and the nuts are poured into the pan. Oil and make sure you have pans and heat the pan and the nuts are thrown into the pans. To prepare the dough, to stir or smoke the beans and other ingredients, and don't forget to make sure there is soy sauce to and sweetness to the sauce. Forget to make sure there is soy sauce to add sweetness to the seasoning. Water. And don't forget to make sure there is soy sauce to add sweetness to the seasoning. You guys pour the seasoning into a small bowl. You guys the seasoning into a small bowl. And finally decorate the trough with the fruit bucket, leaves, and the cards. As much as possible, he hand as beautiful as possible.